In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to warp an image in Canva. It's a simple and effective way to add a unique touch to your graphics, and you'll be able to master it in no time. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Canva's website by typing canva.com into your browser. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. This will ensure that all your projects and uploads are saved and accessible for editing. With that out of the way, let's move on to the creative part. After logging in, click on Templates, which you'll find on the left side of your screen. Now let's get specific by choosing Poster from the list of options. This format is perfect for experimenting with designs and effects, giving you ample space to work with. Now click on Create Blank to open a fresh canvas where we can begin our design journey. The next step is to bring in the image you want to warp. I've already uploaded mine, so let me walk you through how to do that if you haven't yet. On the left-hand panel, you'll see Uploads. Give that a click. Once there, select the image you wish to use. By clicking on it, you might need to give it a firm click to ensure it pops onto your canvas. Your image might not be the right size initially, but don't worry. Canva makes it easy to resize. Simply click on the image to select it, and as you do, you'll notice handles at the corners. You can click and drag those handles to resize the image to your liking. Now, onto the exciting part, warping the image. We're going to use a nifty tool called Liquify to achieve this effect. So go ahead and click on Apps on the left side menu. In the search bar that appears, type in Liquify and press Enter. This will pull up the tool you need. When you see Liquify in the search results, click on it to access it. The Liquify tool offers several options for distorting images, but for our purpose today, we're going to focus on the wobble effect. Go ahead and click on Wobble. This option allows you to create a wave-like distortion, which can really make your image pop. Now comes the time to fine-tune your warping effect. You'll see settings for adjusting the melt amount and wobble amount, among others. These adjustments will let you decide how extreme or subtle you want the effect to be. Feel free to experiment with these settings to get the desired look. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and some creative adjustments, you've successfully warped an image in Canva. This effect can be a game changer for your designs, adding an artistic flair that is both unique and eye-catching. So go ahead, explore, and let your creativity run wild.